Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I want to show you these new puck lights that I just got, and I'm so excited to show you how they work and what I am using them for. So if you're interested in learning, stay tuned. Alright, so let's open up the package. And as you can see, it has it's a 6-pack, and it says it has 16 color options, and it is battery operated. Now, before I get started, I did purchase another puck light package. However, when they arrived and we used them, they weren't bright enough. So I wanted to try and see if I could find another set that were a bit brighter. And these actually were, and I'm going to show you. All right, so let's open up this pack right here. So in the box, there are 6 lights, and it does come with 2 remotes. Not quite sure why it comes with 2 remotes, but I mean, in case you lose one, it's perfect. Or when you have kids and they want to fight over the who's going to control the lights, this is also perfect. All right, so here is one of the puck lights, and that's probably about 4 inches, 3 inches. Yeah, about 3 or 4 inches. So it's not really big, but it does give off a lot of light. Alright, so if we turn it over, do we need a screwdriver too? Nope, no screwdriver is needed. Alright, so let's go ahead and put the batteries in. So it takes 3 AA batteries. And the lid you just take and just turn to put back on. And now it also comes with the double-sided tape and I guess screws, in case you want to screw it into your cabinets, but I'm not going to do that. We are going to use the double-sided tape. Alright, let's go ahead and show them how it works. So look how bright that is. So I'm going to turn the lights off so you can actually see how bright this is. This is amazing. Compared to the other sets that I've had, it did not give off this much light. So again, it is a puck light, so you can hit the top of the light and to change the colors, or you can use the remote. Also, one great thing about the remote is that you can actually do there's a fade option. See if I can get that in there. It's not coming through, but there's a fade option, and that way you can actually have the colors fade through. Oh, you know what? It would help if it wasn't upside down. Still not coming through. Here, there's a fade option that you can use, and it will go through 16 different colors, so you can set whatever color that you want. So these are the greatest. I am loving these, and I'm going to show you where we have them now. So as you can see, we are using them for our above cabinet lighting, and then we will use them for under our cabinet lighting as well. So we did the ones up top already, and then we're going to work on using the double-sided tape to put underneath the cabinets. So let's go ahead and switch to a different color. Look at that, you guys, and look how bright it is. Love it. All right, so we just hit the fade option, so it's going through a whole color fade cycle. I mean, these are so wonderful. Like, I can't believe how great these are. Like I said before, like I've tried numerous lights and they just did not do the job, but these did. And I will put a link down in the description box of where I got these lights, and I'm going to show you another way you can actually use these lights. I mean, you can use them for pretty much anything, but I'll show you another way that I'm going to use them. Another way that I'm going to use them is for my centerpieces when I throw my parties, because this is just going to add that extra wow factor. Look at that. So I have the red with the red roses, but you can change it to any other color you want. Let me show you what it looks like with the actual white light. Okay, so here it is with a different centerpiece. I have the white light on top, and then I have also the white on the bottom. I mean, this just looks so elegant, and again, the brightness of these is amazing. Also to add, you can actually change the brightness of it. So this is at the highest of the brightness level, but you can actually dim them a little bit more. I think there's like 3 different levels to the brightness. So, but again, these are great, loving them, and I will put the link in the description box below so you guys can actually see where I got these from. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in the next one. Take care.